What's the easiest way to add a code snippet in WordPress? My name's Andy, I am the Code Rebel, and today I'm going to talk about code snippets in WordPress. Little bit sleepy still. Yeah, the easiest way is not to add a plugin, believe it or not. I see a lot of questions about adding plugins in there, and plugins do, if you add too much of them and you're adding one for every little simple function like this, you're going to slow your site down because they're all loading something and they're all running when every instance that website starts up. So don't add a plugin to do something simple like a code snippet. Here's my website. You can see we've got a code snippet there. Just copy, gives you copied, and it does it and it works. Highlight it if you want to. But yeah, all I'll show you is we go to edit page, scroll down, and you can see there's just custom HTML there. That's all there is to it. So preview that, and there is your Code Rebel snippet. So all I'm going to do, I'll copy this. I'll leave that in the description so you can take that, you can work on it as you want, style it your own way, call it whatever you want, modify it for you, whatever you want to do with it. But that's down in the description. It's much lighter, faster, and easier than adding any plugins to do anything with. So before you add a plugin, just try doing it in HTML, in custom HTML, add a new block, and there you go. It's as simple as that. So give me a like, give me a subscribe, buy me a coffee, and I'll be back with more WordPress tips.